Why do some people not only lack friends, but also have shallow familial relationships? A venerable monk explains the 4 reasons behind it. After reading, everything becomes clear. Life is a magnificent bloom. Not everyone understands the meaning of time. Not everyone knows how to cherish. In this world of love and parting, the ebb and flow of right and wrong is the norm. When impermanence arrives, everything turns to dust. If you don't cherish it, it becomes a permanent regret. Human nature is realistic. It's the relentless desires and ideals. It's indifferent. Human nature and desires are intricately intertwined, creating a rich tapestry of life's experiences. If you're not good at socializing, then dine alone. Take solitary walks. Watch movies alone. You'll find that being alone is sometimes better than being with a crowd. As Buddha said, both joy and sorrow reside in the heart's fire. Prosperity and decline are mere worldly dust. Calmly observe the ups and downs of life. Don't be a dreamer throughout eternity. If someone has hardly any friends around them, and even their familial bonds are weak, it's probably due to these 4 reasons. 1. Lack of friends around. You have a lot of friends. I envy you, Xiao Wang said to Shaoli with a smile. Xiao Wang is eloquent, always enthusiastic about various social activities. Meeting new friends. Shaoli has known him for over 2 years. Every time they go out to eat, his phone keeps buzzing, and he diligently replies to each message. However, 2 months ago, one night, he messaged saying he felt lonely and desolate inside. Many people are warm and friendly on the surface, but they are just fair-weather friends. When the crucial moment arrives, no one can truly empathize. After experiencing setbacks, one understands the cruelty of human nature. As the saying goes, experience is the best teacher. Knowing many people, having acquaintances around, seems like having friends. But when difficulties arise and help is needed, they vanish or even become antagonistic. Those who stand by and watch or distance themselves when you're in trouble are not genuinely experiencing life's ups and downs, understanding the harsh realities of human nature. They close themselves off, keeping a distance from others, no longer demanding much from social interactions. 2. Naturally kind-hearted, but ignorant of worldly affairs. Some people are not sophisticated enough in life. Their nature is kind and simple, but because they don't understand the ways of the world, they inevitably fall victim to cunning individuals. They find social interactions too complex, and prefer solitude to avoid trouble. These kind-hearted individuals are emotional, but have simple minds, unaware and unguarded. After being deceived and hurt by others, they become cautious in their relationships, preferring solitude over socializing. They only show deep affection and loyalty to genuine people, trusting them wholeheartedly. Therefore, they have few friends and a small social circle. 3. Inner clarity. Living for oneself. In real life, many people care too much about others' opinions, trying to fit in, compromising themselves, gradually losing the ability to live freely. But those who seem unsociable, with few friends and preferring solitude, are not aloof or cold-hearted. They simply have inner clarity, refusing to compromise and seeking to please only themselves, following their hearts and living their lives as they see fit. 4. Independence and self-reliance. Some people never rely on others, preferring to depend on themselves in everything. They believe time and energy are limited, better spent on self-improvement than on complex social interactions or shortcuts to success. They've learned that relying on oneself is better than relying on others. Understanding that people's hearts can change with circumstances. They lose interest in socializing and distance themselves from insincere individuals, keeping only a few genuine friends and devoting their time and energy to themselves. In summary, as the Buddha said, all things arise from the mind. Good and evil are but a thought away. Regardless of how others act, you should focus on being kind and cultivating a pure heart, and you will receive different rewards. Believe that heaven never mistreats the kind-hearted. That concludes this episode sharing. Thank you for watching. May Zen accompany you to listen to the teachings of Buddha. Calm your worries and settle your mind. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe or share with your friends in the bottom right corner. Your support is my greatest motivation. See you in the next episode.